today we are going to continue to talk about arithmetic progressions. Okay, and I want to start with soalan nombor 2. Okay, did anybody manage to find the answer for this? Adakah orang yang berjaya mendapatkan soalan jawapan ini? Express y in terms of x and z. Kalau ada 3, okay, if you have 3 terms that are successive, means dia ada 3 yang berurutan. Contohnya 2, 4 and 6. So this is an arithmetic progression dan dia ada 3 yang berturutan, 3 successive terms. Okay, that's what it means. It means they are one after another. It means they're not just 3 random ones, they are one after another. Or another one is 6, 9, 12. Okay, of course here the pattern is plus 3, here the pattern is plus 3 lah. Okay, so the important thing is this, if it tells you, doesn't matter whether it's a letter or whether it's a number. Kalau dia bagi tahu ini kan, means dan dia bagi tahu dia adalah arithmetic progression kan, means the pattern is the same. Okay, dia punya pattern adalah sentiasa sama. X pergi Y, macam mana kita dapat dia punya pattern? Is y minus x. Dan dia punya pattern. Kan? Macam ini. Macam mana saya dapat ini tambah 3 ini? 9 tolak 6. Okay? Same thing like this. Ini adalah tambah 2 bahkan. Logik pun kamu nampak sudah bah, tambah 2. Tapi sebenarnya macam mana kamu tahu dia adalah tambah 2? Dia adalah 4 tolak 2. 4 minus 2. That's how you get the pattern. Okay? It's the one after minus the one before. Always. Okay, doesn't matter whether dia menaik atau menurun, the one dulu minus the one before. Okay, so kalau macam itu, ini adalah pattern x minus y minus x. Manakala ini pula y pergi z, dia adalah pattern z minus y. Dan oleh sebab the pattern is the same, saya boleh katakan bahawa nilai y minus x mesti sama dengan nilai z minus y. Just like this case. 9 minus 6 is equals to 12 minus 9. Betul ke tidak? Kan? Sebab dia punya pattern adalah sama. Okay, and so after that you get the question express y in terms of x. So y in terms of x means y sama dengan bla 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 lah. Okay, jadi saya pindah y pergi sini, y plus y equals to z plus x. Saya pindah x pergi sebelah. This will be 2y equals to z plus x, maka y sama dengan z plus x over 2. Okay, ini adalah soalan standard lah, express y in terms of x. Tapi mau dapatkan this first sentence ini yang harus kita memahami. Okay, pattern is the same kalau arithmetic progression, dan arithmetic progression dia punya pattern adalah sama ada tambah atau tolak. Sama ada dia adalah positif atau negatif. Kalau patternnya adalah positif, if it is a positive pattern, then your progression is a progression yang meningkat. You get bigger, the number get bigger and bigger. If your progression, the pattern is negative, okay, contohnya 15, 12, 9, 6, macam ni. Dia makin menurun bahkan nombornya. Okay, and what is the pattern? The pattern is minus 3. How do you get minus 3? 12 tolak 15. It's always the number in front minus the number behind. That's how you get the pattern. So it doesn't matter whether it is letter, number, names of people in the class. Kalau dia adalah satu arithmetic progression, you must know that the pattern sudah ditentukan. Okay, walaupun kau tidak tahu apa pattern tu, tapi kalau dia nombor kah, dia huruf kah, dia tetap sama. Okay, let me give you another example. Let's say lah, I say that, okay, guys, listen, this is an arithmetic progression. Okay, look, arithmetic progression begini, 10, x, y, 25, contohnya. Okay, so saya punya soalan adalah, what is the pattern? Okay, how many patterns can we get from here? 3 patterns bahkan. We can get x minus 10, 1 pattern. Another pattern will be y minus x. And another pattern will be 25 minus y. Kan? 25 minus y. Dan kita tahu bahawa ketiga-tiga pattern ini adalah sama. X minus 10 equals to y minus x. Atau x minus 10 equals to 25 minus y. Atau y minus x equals to 25 minus y. Doesn't matter lah. Tapi kita tahu dia punya pattern adalah sama. Okay, and then from there actually we can find the value of x and y lah. Okay, tapi I need you to understand the first important thing is kalau dia bagi huruf kah, dia bagi nombor kah, dia bagi picture lah. Okay, the step is still the same. Arithmetic progression, the pattern is the same. Alright, let's take a look at this. Can anybody give me the answer for this? Did you try this? What is the green color progression? What is the blue color progression? In this one is question C. What is the blue, green, red and black color progression? Blue is 13, 17, 21. Okay. The D is plus 4. Very good. Okay. Yeah, 30, 17, 4, right? Yeah, okay. So 30, 17, 4. The D is minus 13. Okay, so this is 30, 17 and so it makes sense. Okay, ini adalah network yang macam kamu belajar dengan teacher IB lah. Okay, right. What about this question? Good, Sophia. Thank you, Atika. 14K blue, 14K, 26K, 38K. Okay. Astaga. 14K, 26K, 38K. The D is minus 12. Are you sure, Atika? Yeah, the D is plus 12, tapi not entirely correct. Red is 38, 41, 44. 38K, sorry, K. 41K, yeah, 44K. The D is 15 pun silap. Something is wrong here, guys. You guys are giving me something missing. Yeah, okay, the D is plus 12K and plus 15K. Okay, sebab kalau kita kirakan 26K minus 14K, kan the K doesn't hilang bah. Kan? So it will be 12K, begitu. Okay, alright, how about the, oh tidak, green saya rasa, green and black lah. Green and black still haven't been answered. This is 41K. Okay, how about the green and the black? 38K, 47K, 56K. Alright, good. So the green is 26K, 46K, 41K, 56K. Black is 38K, 47K, 56K, and the D is positive 9K. What is the D for the green, please? Yeah, okay, plus 15K. Alright, okay, so now that we have settled this, okay, we are going to talk about the two formula, okay, the two formula that has to do with arithmetic progression. Okay, so let me give you a summary lah. Okay, so dalam arithmetic progression ada dua basic formula yang sangat penting. Okay, the first formula adalah berkaitan dengan this symbol Tn, disebut sebagai the nth term. Okay, so sebagai contoh, if this is T16, this is the 16th term. If this is T3, this is the third term. Okay, dalam bahasa Melayu, term is sebutan. Okay, so T16 will be sebutan ke-16. T3, T3 will be sebutan ke-3. So Tn yang kita tidak tahulah dia punya nombor apa adalah sebutan ke n. Okay, itu adalah perkataan yang biasa kita pakai. Okay, Tn is sebutan ke n. Now, apakah maksudnya sebutan? So, let's talk about an arithmetic progression. Okay, maybe somebody, can you give me 5 numbers in an arithmetic progression yang menaik? Somebody lah, just tembak saja satu arithmetic progression. Bagi saya 5 nombor, tetapi dia adalah arithmetic progression yang menaik. Jangan bagi saya 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Don't give me 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That one is so, like, itu noob level lah. Kasih nombor yang, you know, like glamour-glamour sikit lah. Anybody? Just give me 5 numbers. Yang penting arithmetic progression dan, ya, dan dia arithmetic progression. Okay, good. Alah, Sophia lambat. 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. Can you give me the D, please? What is the pattern? D is kita guna inilah, we use this. Alah Sofia lambat sudah. Si Adriana yang first. Okay, D is Adriana 4 or negative 4? Is it positive or negative? Okay, so it's plus 4. Okay, so let's set it di sana. Ini arithmetic progression kita. Okay, di mana dia punya D adalah plus 4. Okay, now saya mau perkenalkan lagi satu huruf. Hurufnya adalah huruf A. Okay, now huruf A dia punya maksud adalah the first term. Sebutan pertama, tak payah minta maaf, it's first come first serve. Siapa suruh dia lambatkan? Okay, so the A adalah simbol untuk the first term. Okay, so in this case, this is A. Dalam janjang yang diberi oleh Adriana tadi, in this progression that is given by Adriana, okay, the first term is 20. Okay, yang Sofia bagi 713 itu, her first term is 7 lah. Okay, doesn't matter. Tapi dalam case ini, the first term, huruf A adalah 20. Okay, perhatikan bahawa 20 juga adalah T1, the first term. 24 is T2. Kan? 28 is T3, T4, T5. Itulah yang saya maksudkan. Sebutan pertama, sebutan kedua, sebutan ketiga, the fourth term, the fifth term. And because this arithmetic progression, dia boleh bersambung sampai ke jana, okay, kita boleh menentukan mana-mana yang saya suka. Okay, dengan menggunakan formula ini. Take a look. The formula is, the nth term is A is the first term, plus N tolak 1 D. Okay, kita main darab saja. So sebagai contoh, let's try to count the fourth term. The fourth term is T4 bahkan. Kita buktikan, betulkah 32 ini? Okay, so T4, sekarang saya punya N adalah 4. Okay, in this progression, what is my A? A is 20. Plus N tadi berapa? 4. 4 tolak 1 darab positif 4. Okay. Now, ini kerja senang sudah ini guys. Kamu tekan calculator di sini. Okay, cuba kau tekan calculator. Berapa nilai yang kamu dapat? Make sure you include the brackets. Okay, 32. Which is the same nilai yang kita dapat tadi. Ini kan sebutan keempat. Kan? This is the fourth term dengan syarat this is the first term dan dia punya common, dia punya D, dia punya pattern adalah positif 4. Okay, so actually kita boleh cari sebutan yang entah berapalah yang kita mau cari dalam pattern ini. Tidak payahlah kita senaraikan okay, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 sampailah macam mana kalau saya mau kamu cari T50, find the 50th term. Wah, kamu mau senaraikan sampai apa-apa, punyalah panjang kan. That's why we use this shortcut. Okay, we use this formula to find T50. Okay, why don't kita try lah. Mari kita cuba cari T50. Okay, cuba gantikan di dalam formula ini. Okay, substitute into this formula. Dia punya A, dia punya D masih tidak berubah. The A and the D is still the same. A is 20, D is positive 4. Okay, masih tidak berubah. Tapi sekarang I want to find the 50th term. Sebutan ke-50. Okay, try and calculate and see. 216. Okay, can you tell me how you got the working? Write down. Okay lah, fine. Everybody seems to get it. 20 tambah 4, bukan 4. Berapa sudah itu? 50 bahkan. 50 minus 1 times positive 4. Okay, so I think you're right lah. You should get 216. So dengan menggunakan formula ini, using this formula, we can find any term we want. Kita boleh cari mana-mana sebutan yang kita mahu, okay, in any arithmetic progression. Syaratnya kita mesti tahu what is the first term and what is the D. Okay, so saya bagi nama untuk D. The name for D is called common difference. Common difference dalam bahasa Melayu adalah beza sepunya. Okay, it's called a common difference because the difference is the same. Okay, throughout the arithmetic progression kan, dia punya pattern adalah sama, plus 4. Patternnya plus 4. plus 4. That's why dia dipanggil beza sepunya, common difference. Okay. Kalau dia punya beza ni sentiasa berlainan kan, itu bukan panggil arithmetic progression sudah. It's not called arithmetic progression. It's called another kind of progression. Okay, but because this is because this is an arithmetic progression, okay, we will need a common difference. Okay, so this is formula number 1. Now, the second formula has to do with this one, Sn. Okay, Sn is the sum of the first n terms. Okay, the sum of the first n terms. Hasil jumlah n sebutan pertama. So let's say, for example, I'm going to use the same example we used just now, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. Ini. Okay, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. Ini adalah T1, T2, T3, T4, T5. So Sn maksudnya kamu tambah dari yang first sampai ke yang kelima. Ini adalah S5. Itu maksudnya S ini. Kamu tambah dari yang first sampai kelima. Okay, kalau kita buat ini secara manual, we can do this manually bahkan 20 plus 24 plus 28 plus 32 plus 36. Okay, cuba kamu jumlahkan. Tell me how much was. Don't use the formula yet. Just add for me. 20 plus 24 plus 28 plus 32 plus 36. Berapa you dapat? Berapa you dapat? How much do you get? Okay, you get 140. Okay, senang kan? Tapi macam mana kalau saya suruh, okay, cubalah konon kau cari S50. Okay. 20 plus 24 plus 28 plus 32 plus 36 plus 40 mau sampai 50 kan, itu kerja orang gila bahkan kalau kau main tekan saja tambah. So that's why we have another formula to help us to find, especially kalau dia punya nombor adalah as big as this. But the most important thing we have to understand is ini S mesti bermula dari the first term. Okay, the first term sampailah yang ke entah berapa. Itu yang kita mesti memahami. We have to understand this. Okay, the first term until yang kita stop lah. Kalau 50, kita stop at 50. Kalau 5, kita stop at 5. Okay, the formula is n over 2, okay, darab dengan 2a tambah n minus 1d. Okay, if you take a look at this, ini macam familiar bahkan, bab ini yang warna purple ni. Macam familiar kan? Ya. Yeah. Tapi tidak boleh kita masukkan Tn. Saya hanya mau kamu tengok, oh dia macam sama pula dia punya formula. Tinggal kita letak saja ini n per 2 over, times 2 in front. Okay, but you cannot put the Tn in, jangan. Okay, so let's try to use in this case just now. We use S5. Okay, our A is still the same, A is 20. Our D is still plus 4. Okay, masih lagi plus 4. So can we try to find S50? 50 over 2 times 2 darab, what is our A? Sebutan pertama, 20 tambah, 5 dulu kan? Kita cari 5 dulu lah, kesian kalau mencari 50. So 5 minus 1 times positive 4. Okay, tutup kurungan. Okay, cadangan saya guys, kalau kamu mau tekan terus macam ni, boleh, tetapi please berhati-hati. Okay, cuba kau tekan terus, tengok kamu dapat jawapan kah? Did you get S140 if you tekan terus? Siapa kita tahu ni sebenarnya? Do you get 140 if you just press everything satu kaligus? No? Okay. Okay. Oh, Adriani dapat, Sophia tidak dapat. Okay, so, okay fine. If you are stuck, okay, this is what I suggest lah. Kamu settle dulu dalam bracket besar ini. Okay, you settle dulu dalam bracket besar, you will get 56. Baru kamu darab dengan 5 over 2. Okay, if you don't know how to press the calculator so that you know dia boleh keluar satu kaligus, doesn't matter. You settle the big bracket first and then you multiply it with 5 over 2. Okay, alright, let's try another one. Why don't you try to count S50? Okay, S50 adalah if we do it manually, can you do it manually or not? Actually, can. Okay, can lah you 24 plus 28 plus, I'm sorry, 20 plus 24 plus 28 plus 32 plus 36, sangat panjang lah. Tapi kalau kita pakai cara shortcut ini, cara yang memudahkan kita, is just 50 divided by 2, 2 darab, what is our first term? 20 kan? 20 plus 50 minus 1 times positive 4. Kekurangan ruang sudah. Okay? Try to calculate and see, do you get the answer? If you don't know how to do, remember, settle the big bracket first. Baru kamu dapat ini. 5,900 lah. What about the rest? What do you think? Can lah? Betul kah? Jawapan Sophia. You got the same also. Alright, excellent. 5,900. Okay? So when we know how to use the formula, macam saya cakap, okay, this is only the basic stuff. I want to teach you how to use the formula first sebelum kita terjun kepada soalan yang sebenar lah. So soalan sebenar memang definitely more complicated than this. But you need to know how to use the formula first. Okay, how to use these two formulas. The most important thing is you need to understand what this means. Some of the first n terms means dari pertama sampailah ke n, kau kasih jumlahkan. Okay, that's Sn. Manakala Tn is that specific term. Okay, itu sebutan ke berapa itu? Itu tempat saja saya mau tahu. Saya tidak mau tahu yang sebelum ini. I don't want to know what's before. I just want to know what is that particular term. Okay, and we use this more often than we know. Actually, cuma dia tidak kasih matematik lah. Okay, we use this like contohnya if you have savings, kalau kau simpan duit kan hari-hari kamu mau tahu berapa banyak duit yang dia simpan. Okay, let me give you a situation. Okay, let's say since Sophia is very active today, I'm going to use Sophia lah. Okay, so Sophia keeps RM2 every day. Okay, in her savings. Kasi hari-hari lah Sophia dia kasih tambah. Okay, dia kasih tambah in her savings. Ya, in her savings lah. Dia kasih tambah RM2 lah setiap hari. So my question is, how much money will Sophia have after 210 days? Okay, so you can go about this the long way, kan? 2 tambah 2 tambah 2 tambah 2 tambah 2 tambah 2 tambah 2 for 210 lah. Or you can build the arithmetic progression. What is the arithmetic progression? Hari pertama berapa ringgit? 2. Kan? Hari kedua 4. Hari ketiga 6. So hari-hari dia tambah RM2 di dalam. Every day she keeps RM2 inside. Okay, and we have our arithmetic progression sudah. Okay, but what is my A and what is my D? Okay, A is 2 because we start with 2. The D is plus 2. So soalannya adalah how much money will she have after 210 days? Saya punya soalan dengan kamu ni sangat senang. Is it T210 yang kita mau cari atau S210? This is a very commonly asked question. How many you think about this now? Is it T210 or S210? Adriani say T210. What do the rest think? So we must be very careful lah. Kita mesti berhati-hati tentang apa dia punya arithmetic progression ini. Kalau kita lihat this arithmetic progression, this arithmetic progression is berapa banyak duit di dalam tabung Sophia. How much money is in Sophia's bank after sekian-sekian hari. Kalau kita pakai S10, it doesn't make sense tau. Sebab kalau kita fikir secara logik, okay, hari pertama RM2. Hari kedua dia masuk lagi RM2. She put in another RM2, means inside the bank got RM4. Kan? But if we use S, it means that this is 2 plus 4. That means selepas hari kedua, dia ada RM6 sudah. That doesn't make sense. Sebab hari kedua dia baru ada RM4. So actually the answer is T210. Ini saya tahu you are thinking about dia jumlah bahkan. Okay, but we have to be smart about this. Okay, this arithmetic progression sudah kena jumlah. So you cannot jumlah the jumlah. Okay, nanti terus Sofia jadi orang kaya ni. Okay, it's like, wow. Okay, padahal realitinya adalah T210 saja. Saya mau tahu, hari ke-210, berapa banyak duit di dalam bank, dalam tabung si Sofia? Okay, that's what I want. So actually the question is T210. Okay, can you try to calculate this? Let me write the formula for you once again. N minus 1 times D. Okay. Wow, Sibyl laju betul. Asal pasal duit kan, mesti si Sibyl laju ini. Betul tak everyone? 420. After 210 days, Sophia will have 420 ringgit in her tabung. Alright, very good. Okay, 210 days ni tidak lama ni, 7 bulan saja. So bayangkan everybody, keep 2 ringgit every day in your tabung. Selepas 7 bulan kan, kamu boleh beli sudah satu telefon murah yang baru. Okay, alright. So this is an example question that we think about every day, you know. Okay, cuma kita tidak kasih math sahaja. Okay, but of course the basic is this lah, the two formulas. Okay, Sn and Tn. Okay, hanya ada dua formula saja, the most very basic one. Okay, open your textbooks to page 132. Okay, page 132. Okay, in page 132, I want to answer these few questions lah. Okay, look at this one, the 3x minus 1, 4x and 6x minus 2. Then they cakap there are 3 consecutive terms. Consecutive dengan perkataan yang kita belajar tadi ya, successive, maksudnya adalah sama. Dia adalah tiga nombor yang berturutan, one after another. Okay, what does that tell you? That tells us that the D is the same. Betul ke tidak? Tells us that the D is the same. Okay, can you give me the 2 equations that we can form from these 3? Apa 2 persamaan yang kita boleh bentuk daripada these three things? Remember, how do you find the D? The number in front minus the number behind. So it's always 4x minus, hoi! So yeah, I already said the number in front minus the number behind. This is in front, this is behind. Okay, 4x minus 3x minus 1. Ini berhati-hati guys. Okay, this one has to be bracketed because when we open the bracket, dia akan jadi minus 3x plus 1. So this will actually be x plus 1. Okay, what about the second D? Second D is this one minus this one. 6x minus 2 minus 4x. Okay, I can put the bracket also if I want. 6x minus 4x minus 2, we will get 2x minus 2. Okay, and since this is an arithmetic progression, means the x is the same. Means the D is the same kan? Ini D sama ini D mesti sama because it is an arithmetic progression. Jadi kita boleh cakap x tambah 1 mesti sama dengan 2x minus 2. Can you find the x for me please? Yeah, okay, x equals to 3. Be very careful with this guys. Okay, kalau x equals to 3, kita tahu sudah. Okay, I can know what is the individual value. Okay, can you tell me please? Kalau x sama dengan 3, what is the first term, what is the second term, what is the third term? Apa ini, apa ini, apa ini? 8, 12 dan 16. Tapi tengok soalan soalan cakap find T6. Boleh sudah lah kan? Okay, we know that now our A is 8, our D is plus 4. Can we find T6? Can. Okay, tapi ini adalah, this is an example of a question that is very commonly asked. Okay, dia bagi huruf kan? Dia bagi nombor dan huruf lah macam ni lah, 3x minus 1, 4x, 6 minus 2, you know, tapi kita jangan kencang. If it is consecutive terms, okay, maksud tersirat di sini the hidden meaning behind this is that the D is the same. No matter what, whether it is letter or number, the D is the same. And if we know the D is the same, we can slowly count the x. And then we can find the arithmetic progression, and then we can do T6. Okay? Alright, let me do one last question and then we will continue again tomorrow. Page 136. Question A and question B, the horizontal one. Okay, so question A, okay, dia cakap 38, 34, 30. Walaupun dia ada tambah-tambah, doesn't matter, we keep it that same way. Okay, tapi dia cakap find the sum, okay, till the first 18 terms. Okay, 18 yang pertama. Kalau kita nampak saja sum is hasil jumlah bahkan. So this is S18. Saya mau cari S18 lah. Okay, but first of all, let's identify this. A obviously is 38. Okay, ini adalah kita punya A. Okay, what is my D? Okay, D is minus 4. Alright, can you find the S18 please? Sebab dia cakap first 18 terms. Okay, S18. Let me write the formula for you again. N over 2 times 2A plus N minus 1D. Okay, cuba dulu. Make sure you calculate properly, guys. Okay. Let me just double check. N is 18, right? 18 over 2 times 2, 38 plus 18 minus 1 times negative 4. Okay, sorry. Jangan juga. Okay, 2 times 38 plus 17 times negative 4. Okay, 72. Betul. Okay, equals to 72. Okay, so it's pretty easy to use this lah. Okay, cuma dia you have to understand the question. Okay, jangan juga kau menengok. Sometimes they will give you progression. Dia tidak guna comma. Dia guna 38 plus 34 plus 30. Okay, now in mathematics we call this a series and we call this a progression. Okay, but for now let's just keep it at progression first lah. Cuma saya mau perkenalkan kamu kepada series. Okay, let's take a look at question 2B. Dia cakap find the sum of first 100 terms. Okay, dia bagi tahu the first term, okay, is negative 10 and the common difference is what huruf? Is huruf D. Common difference is 6. Now, kalau dia bagi 6, no positive, no negative, we always assume that it is positive. Okay, kalau dia negatif, dia akan bagi negatif. So, sebenarnya apa yang dia mau kita cari di sini? Sum of the first 100 terms. Okay, first 100 terms maksudnya T1 tambah T2 tambah T3 all the way sampai T100. Ini semuanya adalah S100. Okay, remember the concept of SN. Concept of SN very penting tau. Concept of SN is dari yang first sampai yang kamu mau cari. Kalau 100 lah, kalau 5 lah. Tapi dia mesti bermula daripada yang first. Tomorrow we will talk about this a little bit more. Ada cara untuk kita manipulate lah. Okay, tapi besok kita. I want you to just be familiar with the formula for today. Okay, can you calculate the first 100 terms please? Berapa? S100. Well, formula again, let me show you. 2A plus N minus 1D. Okay, 28,700 is the answer that Adriani and Sophia got. So I'm going to assume that this is correct lah. Betul lah, 28,700. Okay. Okay, so what you can do in your module, okay, what you can do in this module, let me see. Don't get skip. Okay, I think memang kau boleh. You can answer question number 6. Okay, answer question number 6. Answer question number 7. You can try question number 8. Question number 8, same concept guys. The first 3 terms, kalau dia bagi 3 yang berturutan kan, what is the thing about this? The common difference is the same. Okay, so you can bentuk 2 persamaan. Ken, you can do question number 9. Question number 9 quite easy. Mana question number 10? Okay, question number 10 also you can do. Question number 14. Okay guys, I'm just going to give you the questions that you can do. Okay, ini bukan homework, tapi kamu boleh buat soalan ini. And it's good to do these questions so that you don't forget what you learned today lah. Okay, so saya hanya bulatkan saja. Okay, ini belum. Okay, you can try this also, question number 16. Cadangan saya, okay, my suggestion is all the questions yang saya bulatkan bahkan, which I don't remember now what are the questions. Let me see, question 6, 7, 8, 9, 14, 16. Itu saja. You can try these questions today, okay, and if you have any problems, of course you can ask me. There is still a little bit more that I haven't covered lah. Okay, the jenis-jenis soalan. The basics of arithmetic progressions I've already covered today. Only two formulas, which is Tn and Sn. Okay, how to find the D is very important. Okay, but as you all know, in additional mathematics, menggunakan formula is tidak cukup. You have to know how to change it into different situations, which is what we're going to talk about tomorrow.